So someone just asked me a very nice question about which levels I'd be interested in on AUD USD. They sent me a screenshot of their chart and they had marked out fair value gaps and order blocks, but on the 15-minute time frame. And that's the beautiful thing about price action and why I love reading and interpreting price. We always start our analysis on the higher time frame. So here we're on the weekly time frame. This low got taken out right here, and then we saw a huge impulse to the upside. What did that impulse do? That impulse took us this high. So we have a new dealing range on the weekly time frame. Now, in your dealing ranges, you want to look for the imbalances and the order blocks. Those are the key points of interest. We have an imbalance here in the lower portion of the range, and we see that price has traded into it. That is this purple rectangle, and traded away from it, taking out liquidity. So this is our new dealing range from this weekly low that was created on Monday, 15th December 2025, all the way to this high right here. That's the range in which we are dealing. Now we know that since this imbalance has already been tapped into and price has taken out a high, we can shift our attention and go down to the daily time frame to see what points of interest there are on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what do we have? This is that same area where price dipped into the weekly gap. You can see it. And then on its way up, beautiful price action here, it created a daily gap. On top of that daily gap, what do we see? We have seen a low created here and relatively equal lows created right next to it. That is what you want to see. This fair value gap is in the discount of the range, and we have an order block on the weekly time frame here, and then these relatively equal lows sitting right on top of it. That is a prime candidate for liquidity to be swept. So even if this move is going to continue higher, at the very least, you want to see price come all the way down, take out these lows to tap into the daily fair value gap before looking for any move to the upside.